Do you know that it's not just about money? I made 8 million in 9 months and I lost it. Why? Kasi walang financial value. Walang purpose ng pera. But in real way, money has a purpose. You know what's the purpose? To serve others. To bring them to LTS. To get buses. To get funds. Because you know you are investing on people's invitation. Tama? That's a 1% eh. Ba? Let me give you the potential of the business. No? Using Metro Manila population, 15 million. Kunin lang natin ang 1%. 1% of 15 million is 150,000 people. Kung bawat isa ay magkukonsume ng isang bote, ilang bote? Ilan ang bote binili nyo? 7, di ba? Isa na lang. Ang equivalent niyan ay 500 per RW. Diyan pinukuha yung komisyon. 500 per RW times 150 packs, 75,600,000 RW. Pwede nyo i-transfer yan kung meron kayo sa aking case number. Okay? Now, 75,600,000 RW. Let me disclaim. I'm not saying ito ang kikitain nyo. Diba? Magkano ang payout na binibigay ng Reway? 70%. Tama? Huwag na natin kunin 70. 10% na lang. Look at the income. 325 million. A month, ha? Ilang bote? Kasi yun it is. Yes. Huwag na lang 10%. 1% na lang. 32 million. Huwag nang 0.5 na lang. 16 million. All of these are not programmed to sell. They are programmed just to consume. Ang tawag ni Big Boss dito ay ito. Retention and consumption. Anong formula ni Big Boss? Find, retain, keep. How to keep? Retain. Go. Let them understand that they will go through the process. Alam mo nung araw, pag sumali kami sa networking, you know how long it will take for us to build the leaders even without income, ha? Nung araw kasi gano'n eh. 6 months. To build the leaders, to build the network. After that, saka pala kami aasa ng income. Sa River, minsan isang buwan, kumikita na kayo ng 100,000 eh. Tapos spoiled pa kayo.
True.
Di ba? Retention and consumption. Let me show you the actual business potential. You know, in other company, yung pinanggalingan ko, 400 ang tao ko, 3 leader. Can you imagine, hirap ko bago ma-duplicate yun ng sistema? Hirap. In Reway, you develop 2 diamond, 2-star leaders. Ang earning mo dyan, 500,000 a month. Tama? Lagpas ka na dyan sa SGC. Ano yung SGC? System Generated Consumption. Lagpas ka na dyan, sobra-sobra. Pagkano income mo? 500,000 a month. Yeah, alam mo kung ilan ang tao niya? 32. 16. Can you imagine if you have loyal leaders who trust this company? How many of you, you're taking the product every day? Tasa ka ba? Lumarap. Huh? Can you see that? Put your hands down. You know why you're taking the product? You trust this company. You don't, hindi kayo mag-take. Kahit magaling pa yan. Tama ba? Yes. That's the reason where, can you imagine, ako tumagal ako sa company, pinakamagagal 3 years eh. By June, that is my 7 years in this company. Because we trust the system. We trust the company. Develop 3 diamond 2-star leaders. Yan daw gagawin ni Lani Roses Valles bago umabot ng July. 3 2-star. Kinumit ko na yun sa inyong lahat. Kasi nyo si Lani. Okay?
Congratulations.
Wala na. Nakumit ko na.
Ang apply nang nag-commit.
Magkano ang income? 1 million. 3. You treasure the 3 leaders. Help them to invite more, to fill in their lives. Sabi ni Big Boss, when you invite, there is a purpose. Fill in their lives until you find the right people. Maka-invite ka ng isa. In-invite ko, hindi sa iyo. Pinuhos ko ang buhay ko. Ang bayaw.
Totoo naman.
Isa lang.
Pinubuhos.
Invitation na nga lang ang trabaho mo. Tamad ka pa.
Invitation.
Gusto mo may pera ka na agad. Are you getting this?
Yes.
So, paano kung apat, dahil mo 2-star leaders, 2 million Yan ang actual Lagpas pa nga yung mga income dyan, di ba, Mike? Di ba? Sa power, 1 million. Di Mike? 3 million. Do you know, I made 15 million in 6 months when I was a Phoenix? No? Can you imagine? Kaya hamungin na ako ng traditional businessman, itatapat ko to. Ewan ko kung tatapat sila. 5 taon, di pa sila kumikita. Nagtayo nga ako ng pandisalan at pinagtayo ako ng leader ni Lani Pedregosa. Sumunod naman ako. Kung pinagtayo ako, may building pa. Talaga kasi lupa ko yun Ayun, 3 milyon sunog. Buti lang, galing sa Riwe yun. Kung dinala ko lang sa Riwe, ininvest ko na lang kay Lani para mag-Pegasus. Di sana